bang, bang.
Hello guys, in this section we are going to build bar plots, and for that we have to first import the Matplotlib library, shift enter, and then we can now build bar plots. So you can understand bar plots in this way, like firstly uh, it's like this, x and y axis, and here will be some labels. Like now in this case we are trying to build a car versus sales. So let's say first is Tesla, and then Ford, and then uh, Toyota, and take just one more, Maruti. So here we can talk about the sales, sales in millions, and here we will have some values like 2 million or 4 million, like 10, like this. Here we will have millions, and now in order to map this we will be having a bar plot. Like for example, Tesla had 6 million sales, so we have to make bar plots like this. And if Ford has 2 million, then this. Similarly we can plot bar graphs, and it can give us a great visualization. So for this purpose, now first let's create an X. So we will be creating we can name it X car names. Okay, so here we can create a list like Tesla, and another one we have taken Ford, Toyota, and Maruti. Similarly for the y-axis, let's generate random values uh, y, and we can name it as revenue. And here we can use random function of numpy, randint, yeah, this one. And we can generate values between 0 and 100, as it is in millions, and we need 4 values. Okay, yeah. So firstly we have not imported numpy, so here let's import numpy for that. Okay, perfect. Now we can see our X car and Y revenue also. Okay, so we will have this, and now in order to plot it we will use plt.bar function, and here we can give X car and Y revenue. So we will see that this is the bar plot. We can make it a little bit more attractive. So what we can do here is, first we can also lower its weight to 0.5, and let's give them labels. Plt.x label as car company, and here we can give plt.y label as sales in millions. Yeah, 2020 sales in millions. Yes, so in this way we can see it very clearly. uh, Now we can also do things like change the color of this bar graph, change it to green. Yeah, we can change it to green, and we can also give title here, plt.title, sales, increase, let's increase the font size here, font size, and here we can give value 30. Okay, now in this way we can see it better. And also we can give grids also, plt.grid. And for a perfect scenario, you are not sure what is the value between this 10 and 20 of this Ford company. So here you have to write one for loop in order to make this number here. So we will be writing for I in range length of this car company, what we have taken X car. So for all four we need labels here, so we will be using function plt.text, and here we will be writing the coordinates which we want, and the coordinates will be the same I, because it will be 0, 1 and 2 and 3, so will be 0, and the value will be here, so it will be y revenue of I. Yeah, and what value we want to put here, so we will be converting into string revenue here I. Yeah, this will value will be printed here. Okay, let's run it. By default it's black. You can also change the color. Let's shift it a little bit here also, so we can give it 0.1. Perfect, perfect. So similarly you can also give color it to orange or a red. Okay, not sure of the size, but yeah, let's try. Font size is equal to 10. 10 is normal. Okay, 20. Yeah, now our figure looks much better. This is all about bar plot. Nextly we will be going through some other plots also. See you in the next lecture.
Let it, let it, let it, let it, let it, let it, bang, bang.